guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you the best free VPN out there. Now if you go to this link right here, which I'm going to leave in the description, it'll lead you to this page right here. Now the name of this VPN is Proton VPN. Now it has a paid version and a free version, and the free version is considered the best free VPN out there because it's the safest one. It has a pretty decent amount of features and it has a pretty strict no-log policy. Basically, and also it has unlimited data. It doesn't cap you at a certain amount of data and just no longer lets you to use the VPN. It's a free amount of data you can use for as much as you want. Now as you can see, we're looking at a pretty good amount of plans right here. We've got the paid versions right here, and then you got the free version. So for the features, you can use this free version for only on one device, and it has pretty good VPN speeds, and you can connect servers in 5 countries. However, it's randomly selected based off of which server has the highest speed. Of course, there are some trade-offs, but this is the best free VPN. Everything else is suspicious or doesn't have that many good features. We're going to click on Get Proton Free. This window is going to pop up. We're just going to click on Continue with Free here. However, you do need to create an account. That's pretty simple. You just put your email address. It's going to suggest a password. You can make your own password if you want to. Once you're done creating your account, it'll get you to this page right here. You can click on Download for Windows, as you can see, and we can choose whatever version you're running on. In my case, I'm using Windows 10 64-bit, so you just click on it. And then the installer file will download. Obviously, I already have it downloaded. And now we have the setup wizard. We just click on the language, select the language we want, and we click on OK. As you can see, it's going to open up a new window where you can choose the file you want this to be downloaded in. And I'm just going to keep it the default here. I'm just going to click on install. That's going to lead you to this page where you could choose other Proton apps. Now these apps are also really good. Proton Mail, for example, has a really good reputation for being probably the best email service out there. But in this case, I'm just going to uncheck all of these. I'm not going to check any of these. I'm only going to create a desktop shortcut for now. And now it opened up this window, so it tells us to sign in. We're just going to put in the same information that we put in the account before. So as you can see, it opened up this website where it shows me my country, as well as also the countries I can choose from. Now as you can see, most of these are grayed out because these are for the paid version. However, there are 5 countries you can choose from, which are also pretty good as well. We're going to click on the button Connect. Now we are connecting to the server in the Netherlands, since it is currently the fastest server out of the 5 countries. You don't get to choose, unfortunately, what country you want to go to, but rather it chooses whatever has the fastest server. And now it has connected me to the Netherlands fastest server, as you can see, and now it has created a new IP address and so on and so forth. As you can see, once I search my location, it'll get me to the Netherlands because that's where it thinks I'm from. Some other features before we end this video include NetShield. However, this is for the paid version only, unfortunately. The paid version has a lot of cool features, such as, for example, it has Tor built in, it has an ad blocker, it has a lot more servers, a lot more countries to choose from. Something else is a kill switch. Now this happens if your VPN connection randomly drops. Another one includes port forwarding. However, this is again also for the paid version, as well as split tunneling, which is again also for paid. So that's it pretty much, guys. That's a very basic review of the best free VPN to be honest. And thank you guys so much for watching, and see you.